Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to make a conference call on iPhone. So if you have an iPhone and you want to put a call through to more than one person and then connect everyone together at the same time to have a group discussion, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to give this video a thumb up and do subscribe to the YouTube channel for more quality videos just like this. Now, to make a conference call on your iPhone, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the dialer. Then click on keypad. Then type in the contact you want to put the first call to. You can go to contact and search for the name of the person like this. And then click on the call, put a call through to the contact. Then once you put a call through to the contact and then the phone rings, once the person picked up the phone just like this, then you're going to have the first active call. Now, to make this call a conference call, this is what you need to do again. Come to here and click on add. Then select the person you want to add. Click on the name. Then repeat another call. Then you should see the current call on hold. So this call is currently ongoing. Then once this person picks up the call, then come here and click on merge calls. Once you hit merge calls, then you should see both called merge. You can see this and then the other person. That is to tell you, you now have a conference call. So this is now 3% on the call. Then if you want to add another person to this group call, click on keypad. You can also type in the number and then repeat the same call, or come to add again and add another person. So you can just put this on speaker or put it on earphone. And after that, after the whole call, you can just go ahead, click on end to end the call. So that is exactly how to make a conference call on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.